Try this meat pie recipe and you'll never regret it. First, all you are going to need is some all-purpose flour. Okay, sieve the flour so you trap all the foreign materials that may come with it. Going with some baking powder, nutmeg, and also sugar. Stir this and then add your margarine. You want to be generous with your margarine because that is what is going to make your meat pie come out so rich. Okay. After mixing with the margarine, this is the consistency we have, and we want to add some water. You do not want to pour all the water in it at once. Yes, just do it in bits until you form your dough to your desired consistency, just as you can see on the screen. And this is just perfect for you. Let's go ahead and then wrap this in a cling film, or you can put this in a rubber or any bowl and keep it in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Yes, if you don't have time on your side, you can just go ahead and work with the dough. It's just okay that way. After a few minutes, the dough is ready to be worked on. If you can work with a bigger dough, then don't worry dividing it into smaller pieces like this. If not, then just divide it into four, just as you see on the screen. Get a round bowl, just cut it to your desired shape and sizes, just as you see. Fill in and seal it with a fork or your fingertips. Okay. Spread some milk on it, or dissolve some milk powder in water and spread it on it to give you that golden brown outcome. Okay. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, share, comment your thoughts, and then get back to me in the comment section after you've tried this recipe. All the measurements will be in the description. See you on the next one.